Did you know that we now have a Discord channel and we'd love to see you there? So come talk to us, go to this link or check out the description where I will post a link for you to join us. See you there! So, you want Optifine, shaders, and texture packs? I got you covered. Well, first of all, boot up Minecraft. So, not Minecraft the game, but the launcher. So, here you have it, the launcher. And as you can see, we have a big play button. Now, you can do this for 1.12.1, which I would recommend, or you can do this for 1.12.2. Now, if you're not sure if you've ever played either of those versions, that could be, go to this option, launch options. Now I have a list here of different versions, ignore that, just press the add new button and now you can say like, I don't know, version 1.12.1. That's what we're gonna use for now because version 1.12.2 seems to have some problems. Now in this list, select release 1.12.1. The other stuff, don't worry about it, just say save. Now, here in the top, go back to news, and with the little green arrow on the right side, select the version we just created, version 1.12.1. It's important that you do this and you press play, because in order to do all of this, we'll need to boot up Minecraft at least once so that the launcher can download the game files that we need. Now, it's booting up. It's lagging me a little bit because it's Java, used a lot of CPU. And you guys can't see it right now. Oh, you can actually. But this is all you need to do. So just quit out of the game. There we go. Wait for the screen to come back. Yeah, okay. Now, I don't need this either because that's just the verbose setting. So now that we've at least started up Minecraft once, the version that we want to install Optifine and the shaders on, now that's done. Let's get going. First of all, go to your browser. Now, I am on the website optifine.net/downloads. Go there, that's where you want to go to download Optifine. Now, there's a list of downloadable files. We just installed Minecraft 1.12.1, so that's the version that we're going to use, and select the top download link. As you can see, we have Optifine 1.12.1 HD UC5 and C6. So that's just the version, so it's best to get the latest version. Either click download or click mirror. If you click download, you get some ads in which you support Optifine, so let's just do that. There we go. We're going to AppFly. We need to wait. I do have an ad blocker, but not right now in Chrome, just for originality's sake. Here we go. So we click the skip ad link in the top right, and now we have this link, download Optifine, etc, etc. We're downloading that. So right here in the bottom corner, it says this file might damage your computer. Now we know that this is safe, so we can just say keep it or download it. I don't know what it'll say in English. I'm using a Dutch browser, completely forgot about that, but just accept it because the download is safe. As long as you're downloading it from optifine.net, it should be fine. Now, we have this file down here. We downloaded it, and as you can see here on the left side, I have a little Java icon. Now, there might be a problem because Minecraft has Java bundled with it, so you don't need to install it on your PC anymore to be able to play Minecraft. But to install Optifine, we are going to need Java. So what happens is, if I'm going to create a new folder real quick, there we go. So this is the file I just downloaded, Optifine 1.12.1 HDUC6.jar. Now, I can open this if I want to, just by double clicking it, and I'll get this. If that's not what happens to you, if you get something completely different, try right clicking it and going to open with. Now, you should see this option, Java TM Platform SE Binary. If you don't have that option, just go out of that, ignore it, then go back to your browser, and then go to www.java.com. When you go to that, you'll see this cookie notice. You say, I agree, I don't really care. And here you have the red button, free Java download. Click it, and it should give you another screen, and you can say, agree and start free download. There we go. It's downloading the Java setup 8U151. When that's done, just open it, say, okay, you can install this. I just got a Windows notification saying like, hey, are you sure you want to open this file? Now, just say install, and it should go and install it. I'm not sure if that'll work on my PC, seeing as I already have it installed, but I might not have the newest version. Here we go. So you get a little screen saying installing Java. And when it's done, you should be able to run the Optifine installer without a problem. Let's just wait for this to finish. There we go. It's like the last few millimeters always take the longest. There we go. So it says like, okay, you have an out-of-date Java, blah, 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 may present a security risk. In my case, I'm going to say uninstall, but it won't really matter for you. If you get that, just click uninstall. And if you don't get that, just say, okay, you have successfully installed Java, close. Now you're done. It might open this screen. Just get away, Internet Explorer. We don't want you. We don't want you, Internet Explorer. Okay, so now that we have installed Java, we should be able to open this file that we downloaded earlier without a problem. So either double click it, and if that doesn't work, right click it, say open with, and select the Java Platform SE binary. If that doesn't display in this list, click the choose another app thing, and you should see it in here. You might need to click more apps, but it should be in this list. So now that we have fixed that, just double click it. It says Optifine HD Ultra C6. This installer will install Optifine in the official Minecraft launcher and will create a new profile Optifine for it. So let's just click install. Optifine was successfully installed. Great, super. Now, in here, we should be able to find that new Java, that new Optifine version. However, we need to restart Minecraft for that to work. So just close it off, open back up Minecraft, and after it is launched, we should be able to see, there we go, 1.12.1 Optifine HD UC6. That's the one we just installed. So click that and select play. That's basically it. Okay, so now we wait for Minecraft to boot up. You might lose sight of me for a second because my recording stuff has to switch over to Minecraft. Lag. And here we are, we have Minecraft. So now we are running Optifine. So that means if we go to video settings, we have a lot more options. And here in the bottom left, you should be able to see Optifine HD C6 Ultra. So that is working. I'm just going to go back to the main menu. Now, what I'm going to do first, which will make everything a little bit easier, is I'm going to go to Other, and then I'm going to set full screen to off. There we go. Okay, so this should be a lot easier to see. I'm just going to close a little few things off. There we go. Okay, this is going to make it a lot easier for me to understand what I'm doing. So let's go back to the home menu. There we go. Now, we're going to want to install a shader pack, right? Because we now have Optifine. Minecraft is optimized. It should run really good. Optifine even lets Minecraft run with 100 plus frames per second, even on the worst computers. So that's great. We got that going. But now we want to install a really cool shader pack. Luckily, Optifine has shader support built in nowadays. So that's awesome. We don't need to install Forge. We don't need to install mods. Nothing. Just go to options, go to video settings, and you should see shaders in the menu right here. If you don't see this, close off Minecraft because for some reason you haven't installed the right version of Optifine or you haven't booted the right version of Optifine. Make sure you use the little arrow on the green start button to select the Optifine version. Now, when you have the shader options, just click it, and as you can see, I already have a bunch of shaders installed. Normally, you will only see the top two options. Now, how are we going to install new shaders? Well, here in the left corner, you'll see a shaders folder button. Just click that. There we go. And Minecraft will open a folder on your computer where you can paste in shader packs. I already have 3 of them, but you don't have any shaders yet. How are you going to get shaders? Well, go back to your browser and go to www.rudoplays.com/shaders. This is the shader that I personally use, and also the shader that, for example, Aldi Shadow Lady uses. I downloaded it because I really liked how her Minecraft looked, and I wanted it. So go to rudoplays.com/shaders. And you'll see a lot of download links here. It's kind of a minefield. This website kind of sucks, but one that works is you go to the Fast Direct download and then click here. So actually, no, that's not the right one. Like I said, it's a minefield. Okay, so Fast Direct download, click the mirror link. Yes, okay, here we go. Oh god, I don't want to translate this page. In the top right, it'll say wait for so many seconds and then skip this ad. Nope, we definitely don't want to see that. So we say no thanks and skip this ad. Now we're going to get to another ad. Great stuff. I haven't found the link that'll just take me directly to the file. Now we say skip again. No, we don't want that either. So we close that tab off. Like I said, this is kind of tricky. Make sure you click the right links. Don't fall for any ads. Now, RudoPlays shaders.zip on uploaded.net. We finally arrived in the right place. Let's say free download. Close off the ad. Normally, like I said, I have an ad blocker. I use uBlock Origin, which is a really good ad blocker and would have prevented most of this stuff. So get that, and it should be a lot easier than it has been for me. But I guess it's good for me to show you what my process is without an ad blocker for those who don't have an ad blocker, so they know where to click and which ads to close. It's a train wreck, but it's almost done. Processing. Okay, that's Fiume Road. Download. We have another ad, close it off, and there we go. In the bottom left corner, it is now downloading the RudoPlays shaders. Really slowly though, so that's going to take about a minute for it to download. My god, that's slow. That is just really slow. Oh, it seems to be going a little bit faster. Not really. Well, once that is downloaded, as you can see, it has a 1 behind it, but no matter, that doesn't really matter. When it's done, I'm just going to take this and I'm going to paste it in my downloads folder. So when it's done, I just downloaded it. This is my downloads folder. This is the file that we just downloaded. Now I say right click, copy. Great so far, right? Now you should still have the folder open, which name is shader packs. It's in the Minecraft folder, Nick Betting, app data, roaming, Minecraft. Nick Betting will be your computer name, of course, or your username. If you don't know where this is, just go back to Minecraft, click the shaders folder, and you should have it. This should be empty for you. So let's just delete this. I can't delete it because I have the RudoPlays shaders activated in Minecraft. But just paste it in this folder. Right click it, say paste. It says, okay, it's already in this. This is for me. So here we go. Boom. Now we have the RudoPlays shaders. If we then go back to Minecraft, we should see the RudoPlays shaders. Just click it to activate it so that there's a gray box around it. Then say done. Well, now you have shaders. Let's go into the game and check that out, right? Let's go on to the Beamblock server. Loading terrain. Let's go to Creative 2. Check out my plot real quick, and here we go. We have shaders, ladies and gentlemen. Let me just go outside for you to properly see it. That looks cool, doesn't it? The RudoPlays shaders do have some glitches. Mainly, if you look at the block. If I'm above water or something, or leaves, it kind of looks weird, but I do really like these shaders, especially if I fly over to my castle right here, let the map load in, boom. That looks pretty cool, right? Now you know how I get my Minecraft to look so cool. We have some really nice lens flare effects. It just looks cool, doesn't it? But now that we have this default texture, which looks pretty cool, but what if we wanted an even cooler texture pack? You know, something medieval, something a little bit more realistic. This looks cool and all, but I wanted to get me some conquest textures. Now, press escape to go to the menu, then go to options, and then you should see the button resource packs. Click that, and as you can see, I already have my conquest resource pack in here. But what's important for you is this bottom open resource pack folder button right here. If you click it, just as with the shader pack folder, it'll open a folder on your computer where you can paste in any texture pack that you want. So I'm going back to my browser. I'm going to close this off. I'm going to close this off, and I am going to conquest.ravond.org. So this is important. Instead of the www part, you type conquest. Conquest.ravond.org. Just type it into your URL bar, press enter, and you should see this website. Now, seeing as we're playing on Minecraft 1.12, either if you're using 1.12.1 or 1.12.2, or maybe even 1.12.3 in the future, just click this top button, MC 1.12. Once again, we're going to add.fly, I don't want to translate that page, thank you very much. I'm really regretting not installing an ad blocker, but just say skip ad, and it should start. No, okay, I just closed that off real quick. I don't want YouTube to think that I'm showing you guys porn, but in the bottom left corner you should see conquest 1.12.zip that just downloaded. So if I say let's copy that to my download folder, here we go. So I just downloaded this file, conquest 1.12.zip. Right click it, select copy, and then go back to the resource pack folder that Minecraft opened. Right click, paste. So I actually now have an even newer version. I used to have 1.11, but now I have 1.12. So you'll probably only have this file, which is fine. The other ones are older versions that I already pasted in. Now go back to Minecraft. Once again, if you don't have this folder anymore, just go to Minecraft, click the open resource pack folder, and it should open the folder for you where you can paste in your resource pack. Once you've done that, go back to Minecraft and click the done button. Because as you can see, I have 3 versions now, but it only shows 2 here. That's because you need to click done first, then click resource pack, and the new resource pack that you pasted in should now appear. Press the little arrow to put it on the right side, to activate it, to select it, then click done. Now this is going to take a little while, especially for Conquest, seeing as it's such a big texture pack, and my recording is starting to lag. No, Minecraft, what are you doing? Minecraft is really resource intensive, so it sometimes takes a little while. Okay, we're back. Now, I click done, and as you can see, my menu is completely different. If I click done, click back to game, this is now how my Minecraft looks. Isn't that amazing? Conquest really is an amazing texture pack, especially in combination with Optifine. Now, I'm just going to maximize this so that you guys can see it a little bit better. It might be a little bit laggy because this isn't the optimal way to record Minecraft, but I just wanted to show you real quick how this looks. I mean, look at these pine trees. They actually turn the leaves into little cones. That's amazing. Even the ground. This is, I think it's gravel, and because of Optifine, they actually have a special texture pack where the grass grows over the gravel a little bit, and it's just amazing. Oh yeah. For some reason, these are white though. I think that's a texture error. But if I fly around real quick, I'll try to show you. I'm paying attention to my recording to see if it doesn't lag too much. It does lag. That's simply because this isn't the proper way to record Minecraft footage. But hey, look at how cool it is. Same with the coal and everything. Everything just merges together and it's amazing. Monsterfish created this. If you're a Redditor, go to /r/conquest resource pack. I did the CSS for that subreddit, and it's amazing. So this is basically it. This is how you get Optifine. This is how you get shaders. This is how you get texture packs. But now you know how to get your Minecraft to look just like me. And if you have any problems, leave a comment. I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!